Hello， 大家好。雖然係冬天啦，但係咧都希望咧趁住好天咧出去外行下㗎。咁我哋咧就揸車由沿住 Deerfoot 啦，跟住落到向 South 行，去到 Mackenzie Meadows Golf Course 嗰度轉落去啦。咁就會去到 Fish Creek Provincial Park 嘅一部分 Rotary Nature Park 嘅。咁我哋咧今日就喺嗰度行下，去睇人哋釣魚啦，欣賞下大自然㗎。
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Raise a glass and say, yeah. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
咁我哋咧沿住河邊啦，欣賞完大自然之後啦，咁又呼吸到一啲新鮮空氣啦，咁又過咗一個愉快嘅下晝啦。咁如果大家喜歡我呢條片嘅咧，就歡迎按個 like、分享同 subscribe 我嘅 channel， 撳埋隔離嘅鐘仔，咁下一次我出片嘅時候，大家就會知㗎啦。多謝大家收看啦，下次見啦，拜拜。